Hey guys, it's Mrs. Dobmeyer, and I'm coming to you today from my music room here at school. And I was just thinking about how it's probably a good idea that we get a little more practice on reading our letters or notes on the lines and spaces. So this skill is really important if you are to move forward and let's say in 5th grade you want to join band. You're going to need to have this information, pretty much memorized, and an experience like that is going to be way easier for you if you already know what letters go on each line and space on our treble clef staff. So I just kind of want to review this with you while we're looking at them. You can see that we've got 5 lines on our staff, and we always count from the bottom up. So the first line is the bottom line, and I see E. So then the second line, G, third line, B, fourth line, D, and fifth line or top line, F. And of course, we have words that go with those letters. You may remember from the videos and songs I've shown you before. We've got every for E, good for G, boy for the B, does for D, and fine for F. Okay, that is something I want you to memorize. All right, and then for the spaces, it's pretty easy. We've got F, A, C, E. Again, I'm spelling from the bottom up because we start on the first or bottom space, and of course that spells out the word face, which also rhymes with space, which is really nice. It helps us remember it. And also I can rhyme every good boy does fine on the line. Fine rhymes with line, and that's why I like to use those particular words. Although back in our lines and spaces episode, I believe Quaver gave us some different words that we could use, kind of being silly. But every good boy does fine on the line is a great way to memorize our lines on the staff. So this week's assignment is just going to be kind of like a shorter assignment, but it's going to be an important review of our letters that go on the lines and spaces.